A lot.
One ice chest.
Jessica, you ready for this? Jessica, you ready for this? I heard it. You ready for it? Ready for your ice? I got the ice machine running, Jessica. Sure. Let's put the camera down. That way you can actually hear the compressor starting up. Just putting the camera down. Like that?
Yeah.
Look, it's ice. Look, if the ice is too big, right there. Watch her hit it like that. See?
Oh, it's a cool trick right there.
Is that a tip and a trick from Miss Tiffany?
Yeah.
She's got the best tips and tricks.
The compressor's on. You hear that, Jessica?
I do.
Makes it better, right? That's a cool hidden feature right there. Got the compressor running, so that's good.
It is good.
Yeah. Jessica, you're very happy to hear this.
I am.
Water is filling. So that's a good start. There's a lot of noise on you, but it's not that loud. It's not that loud, right, Jessica?
It isn't.
Depends on which machine you have. Yeah.
How was your day today, William?
Good.
Did you take a shower?
I'm good about
Put it in the
that.
sink.
Jessica, what's your conclusion? Jessica, hey, Miss Tempy got the cool trick to make it easy to scoop, right? That's a cool hidden feature right there. Alright. And that way the ice machine keeps running, right? Keeps running until the sensor is reached, right? Oh hey mommy, do you remember about the like the one at Subway? I do not even notice that the door is openable, swingable. Remember that? When you open the door, that way you can do the cleaning on the inside. Yeah. Clean the inside, parts of it, and that way we will get access to the inside. With your dishwasher, aren't you? Aunt Jessica likes that. I did, thank you. It takes about 15 minutes for the process to switch over, right? Put to the freeze, into the ice, then you stop the cycle, right? Helping with your dishwasher, right? Why you want to listen for the machine? Yep. Like that? Hey, Mommy. Vibrates a little bit when you touch it, right? Does indeed. Yep. Because of the compressor, right? Makes the ice cold. Yep. Always need to have some room for your ventilation, right? Huh? I don't know. Like that, Hancock Landing. Yeah. Yep. So happy I got the ice machine running. I did it so fast. It takes us several minutes for the we'll switch it over to the ice dropping cycle, right?
I guess.
Takes-
You're the expert on that, William.
Depends on the temperature and all of that, right? Yep. There's a sensor somewhere that detects the when the ice is ready to make its connection. I think there's a sensor, Mommy, that detects the
William, put your phone down and bring me Miss Erica in the back.
Sure, thank you. Hold on, let me plug it in real quick. Alright, take a close-up view to the that way you can actually hear the compressor. Alright. Yep, just checking to make sure I didn't press the button. Alright. Alright. Dishwasher, right? Jessica, like the ice machine. Yeah.
Middle school, yeah.
Yeah.
Citizen, public school. Right, yeah. I think there's a little Dr. Seuss person right there. Yeah.
Jessica knows that about ice machines that I must really liked. Yep, right, Jessica? Makes it cold, makes the ice cold, and the sensors checking to make sure the ice it's freezing and it's ready to drop. Yep. I'll be able to get the ice machine. I heard something. I heard that little click noise. The ice is ready to make its connection. I heard it.
36.5.
Got some cool stuff that you have in here, Mommy. Got some cool stuff that you have. Yeah. Helping Miss Erica with your dishwasher. It's so good knowing. So the water sprays in and the heating element warms up, right? So the dishwasher, the water hits against and the heating element warms up. It stays hot, right? Hey Erica, what you doing? Yep. Washing all your dishes, right? I know that's your favorite thing to do. You know a lot about ovens, right? You know how it works? How ovens work? Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Yep. 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 You always like to show me how the ovens work, right? But I know right. It depends on what temperature setting, right? There's a sensor that detects what the temperature is right now.
Right.
Right? Yeah.
Is that ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Makes a click noise once you open the door, right?
Alright. Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. Bye, Jessica. Tell me to enjoy with the machine, ice machine.
Enjoy your ice machine. Say
Tell me
goodbye,
to
Miss Erica.
Miss Erica. Jessica, tell me to enjoy your ice
She
machine.
did. She told you that. Bye. Thank you.
All right. Press the green button and off we are.
Hey.
Are you gonna be back by 1:30?
Probably, maybe.
I gotta go to Armstrong.
Okay.
Okay.
You want to go to Armstrong at 1:30?
I need to leave by 2. I got an appointment at 3.
Yeah, that's fine.
I didn't know if it was you wanted me to just use the credit card on file down there.
No, because it's not good anymore.
Okay.
I didn't bring my wallet. My wallet's at home on the table.
Okay.
Take the black Amazon Chase card.
Black Amazon Chase.
Yeah,
It's in your wallet.
yeah.
Okay.
I still haven't gotten my new card from when I canceled it when we lost it at the car wash. Remember?
All right. Okay, mommy.